So guys,
तो भाई
first of
सबसे
all you
पहले
need to
आपको
come
इस
on
लिंक
this
पे आ
web
जाना
page,
है और यहाँ
and
आने के
I
बाद
have given the
आपको
link of this web page in the
डाउनलोड
description.
करना है ये
So
वाला
guys, now you
डेवलपर
go to
वाला
this
डाउनलोड
developer
नाउ बटन पे
download
क्लिक
now
करना है।
link and click
एंड
on
जैसे
this
ही आप
link.
डाउनलोड नाउ पे
It
क्लिक
will
करेंगे तो
start
आपकी डाउनलोडिंग स्टार्ट
automatically
हो जाएगी। तो ये
download
इंस्टॉलर है,
SQL
तो इस इंस्टॉलर
server
को
for
इंस्टॉल
developer.
करना है पहले और उसके बाद आपकी डाउनलोडिंग स्टार्ट
And
होगी।
once it is download, you have to open it because it is an installer, and it will open like this. And now click on this download media. So now you have to choose the mode of the file that you want to download. I will download ISO. So after downloading, open folder, and now you need to open this first ISO file, which is a disk image. So let me give the full view, and now click on this first file. So now guys, you need to click on this setup option. So now guys, go to this installation option on the left side, and now click on new SQL server standalone installation and features to existing installation. And now choose specify a free edition as developer. So choose as developer here, and now click on this next button and accept the license terms and privacy statements. So check this button and go to next. So after this, check this button as well. And after operation complete, click on the next button. And now you need to select the features that you want to install with SQL Server. So first of all, you need to choose full text and data quality services, and after this you need to select data quality client and client tools connectivity. And after this guys, you need to select client tools backward compatibility, client tools SDK, and client clean connectivity SDK. After this, click on next button. And now guys, you need to choose the name stance here. So you can name anything. So like I'm going to name it Anand PC. So my name is Anand, and I'm going to make it capital or each letter and Anand PC. Yeah. After this, do not use any special character, just use the characters alphabets. And after this guys, yeah, now you need to choose SQL server agent as automatic, and accept SQL full text filter, choose all automatic, and SQL full text filter should be manual. After this, click on next, and now this window will open, and in this you need to select a mix mode and enter the password here. So you can choose the strong password, and now you have to enter the same password in the confirm password section. Now you have to click on the add current user. So it will take a little time to get the current username, and you can see my name is appear now. So now click on next button, and now guys, we need to select the data directory. So by default it is already selected. You can choose the any other drive as well, so because it is safe to keep the files in the other directory. other than C drive. So now you need to select these options that I'm doing in the video. So yeah, keep it recommended and select on check button, and in file stream you just leave it unchecked, and go to next button. And after this guys, your installation will start. So to start installation, click on install button, and after this installation will be started. So it will take some time. So after installation, just close this window. So we have installed the SQL server. Now we need to install SQL Management Studio, where we are going to manage our SQL files. So to download SQL Server Management Studio, here's a web page. So guys, I'm going to give you a link of this page as well. So where you need to download this file, and after download, open this file. So the installation of the SQL Server Management Studio will be start. And now, so guys, after installation of SQL Server Management Studio, it will ask you to restart your PC, and after restarting, your SQL Server Management will be work very fine. So you can start after that. And after the guys restarting, I'm going to open my Microsoft Server Management Studio here. So let's open it. So my PC is right now very slow, that's why it is taking a lot of time. So let's wait for a second. So guys, after this the two window will be open. One is for connecting the server, so you need to click on this connect button. So it will connect a server, and we have successfully connected our server. So now guys, you can see our Microsoft Server Management Studio has been installed now. So I'm going to give you a full tutorial on this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio in the next video. So we are done with the installation. Now we are going to move on. So to create a new SQL file, you can go to the file and click on the new option. So you can create your file and project as well. So that's how you can do it. So I'm going to give you a full brief introduction on that in the next video. So in the next video, till then, bye bye.